Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We got a 2019 Nissan Sentra, 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter engine. I'd like to share this with you. We'll do a walk around here on the outside, then we'll go on the inside. I'll show you what is inside of this car. So we'll do our walk around here, go on the back. Now this car does have a backup camera, and I'll show you that camera is right there. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, here we go. Got the trunk open, got a lot of space back here, very clean inside. So let's go ahead and continue. Okay, we'll go here on the driver's side, show you what we've got going on here, then we'll go ahead and open the doors up and get on the inside. So let's take a look at the back first. Okay, we do have black cloth interior. You do see it's got a lighter color design in the center. Go up here to show you the headliner. You do have two USB ports down here on the floor for your electronics. Black door panels. Let's go up front. Okay, here we go up front. You can see it does have a fairly good size LCD monitor in it. Controls on your steering wheel. Show you the door panel, all solid black. Now you do have a cloth style here in addition to the rest of it. So you do have some controls right here. It's got different driving modes, including economy. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, I am inside. You'll see it firing up here. Go over here, show you that it does have, as you can see, it's changing, SiriusXM radio. And let's go over here. I'll show you it does have dual climate control. Down here you've got another 12 volt for your electronics here. Let's go back up to the clusters, the gauges. Show you the mileage, 32,742 miles as of now. You do have Bluetooth connectivity. It will connect to your smartphone so you can control your volume and everything from here. Cruise control right here. But I'm going to go ahead and let's do this. Click on the audio. I'm going to drop this down in reverse, and you'll see the backup camera that's going to engage with this. And you do have two cup holders, storage capacity, another USB and auxiliary import. And in the back seat, you can see the armrest does fold down, and there is a lot of leg room back here. On one other item I wanted to show you, it does have a push button start and stop. So just push it, and it just turned the car off. To start it, put your foot on the brake pedal, push the start stop, and there it is, coming to life. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2019 Nissan Sentra. 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Come up for a test drive. Got a lot of financing options available. Have a great day.